Have you been struggling to make consistent profits in the forex markets or not had enough time to analyze the markets and trade? At MMK, we have experienced and qualified traders who analyze the markets and send signals directly to your phone. We are highly selective traders and we provide 5 to 10 signals weekly and a minimum pip count of 1,000 pips monthly. Join the winning team and stop donating your money to brokers. Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to be the first to watch when we upload any new content. Alright guys, today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be going through some pairs, some trades that we took and some pairs that we anticipated and why we did not take some trades, even though our direction, our bias was very correct. Alright, so I analyzed a couple of pairs which I sent to my VIP signal group. If you're interested in this, do join our free Telegram channel. Find the description, the link in the description below, and you'll be able to find out more information on how to be part of this VIP signal room. Alright, so I'm going to start with GU. I mean, this was a very clean setup for me, and I'm going to explain why. I had this directional bias. As you can see, I wanted to see price get to this area and then continue moving to the downside. All right, so I'm basically going to look at what we had on GU. If we look at the higher time frame, it's very clear to see that after this peak formation that we had, I mean, you can see we had this huge peak formation above the 800 EMA. This is in our 4-hour time frame, right? And we can see that from that point we have this level of move, level of drop going down into a consolidation, and then we had another drop into a consolidation, as you can see, and then we had the last level of drop, right? So as you can see, when this level count had completed, we had the 5200 crossover and price had made its way. Remember, we anticipate a reset after 1 or 2 levels. Right, but to increase your probability, look out for these resets after the second level. So you can see that after this push, 3 pushes down, with this move up into a consolidation and another move up, and then as you can see, this is where we had our peak reset in our H4 time frame. Remember, a peak reset, or rather a bounce off the 200 EMA in the 4-hour time frame, is actually a bounce off the 50 EMA in your daily time frame, which we can consider a 50 bounce, right, in our daily time frame, right? So looking at this, as you can see, price had already moved away from this as I had that anticipation. So from this area, as you can see, so basically a reset in your 4-hour time frame, which is a bounce off the 200 EMA, is actually a bounce off the 800 EMA in your 1-hour time frame. So as you can see, from this level, what we had was we had this level of drop into a consolidation, right? We had another drop, a mini pullback, and a last push down, right? So what I loved about this when I anticipated this move, as you can see right here, I wanted to see the market get back to this area. I had seen a 5200 crossover, and I was anticipating a reset in the daily time frame, right? As you can see, and as you can see, that's exactly what happened. Market moved to that area, and if you look at it from the 15-minute time frame, you can see what happened with a nice trap. I mean, a lot of people were induced both sides. As you can see, stops were collected, right? And I was not interested in all this, right? Some people right there would have jumped in there, but as you can see, stops were grabbed on both sides, and then price then made its move to our points of interest. And as you can see, we had a nice move down, as you can see, right? And we also actually took this trade. As you can see, I did send out the signal in our VIP signal channel, and as you can see, there's a couple of results. People did actually make, you know, good money on this trade, right? The results are a lot, can't share all of them, right? So the other pair that we looked at was Euro GBP, and what I saw in Euro GBP, as you can see, we had nice moves down, a nice long sustained drop, pull back, second level into a consolidation into this demand area, third level, right? So what I wanted to see, as you can see, if you look at market structure, right, market structure was definitely showing us all the signs that we're moving to the upside. So my points of interest was around this area. As you can see, this is where we had these EMAs located, and we also had a nice OB right there. So that was my anticipation. I wanted to see price bounce off this area and make it to this zone. Right, so the reason why I did not take this trade was it did not give me what I was looking for, right? Remember, even though we were right about the bias, right, price did not make its move back down there. As you can see, if we go to the 15 minutes, this is what we call a step straight away, right, where there is no stop hunt below, right, where price just continues to move to the upside. And as you can see, price did actually smash the area that we're interested in. So sometimes, yes, you will miss out on some trades, but that does not mean you should jump on a moving train, right? Always wait for the setup to come to you, right? And that's the reason why we had a very clean setup on GU, and we definitely took advantage of that, right? So this was also another pair we looked at, and we also sent these markups in the VIP signal group, right? And we also looked at USD CAD. I wanted to see USD CAD move back to this area. As you can see, this was the first time price was getting back to the 200 EMA, and that did not happen on USD CAD. As you can see, price hasn't really moved to that area yet, so I did not even bother touching this pair. This is where being patient is very important. Remember, you do not need to trade 500 times to make money in the market, right? So we also looked at USD CHF. USD CHF was very clean. I wanted to see a nice stop hunt above this area. It's either I wanted to see a movement here or around this area. And as you can see on USD CHF, right, my bias on USD CHF was very clean, right? If I can analyze this for you, this is what we can see. Right, this was a nice OB right there. We had a nice drop, base drop, and as you can see, we broke multiple structures after that, right, and we also continued breaking structures to the downside. So this was also a nice level for me to keep an eye out on for shorts, right? As you can see, right, it had been touched a couple of times, but this was still a very nice level for me to look for shorts. And as you can see, what happened, we had a nice stop hunt just above, price reacted to that zone, and as you can see, this has actually dropped for, very good number of pips, like 70 pips, which is not bad for intraday traders, right? So that was also a trade that we took there, right? So I recorded this video to show you guys that you can analyze or anticipate, project and anticipate on 5 pairs, but only find an opportunity on 1 or 2 pairs, right? But the most important thing is sticking to your plan and not chasing any trades. All right, guys, I hope you learned some things from this video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and for free signals and free setups and more educational content, do join our free Telegram channel. Find the link in the description below.